Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner with our English video today. We are continuing our words on fruits today. So we're going to go into pineapple, watermelon, cherries, and then talk about berries. Let's go ahead and get started.
Pineapple, watermelon, cherry, pineapples,
Pineapples, like in our last one, adding the S makes it plural or more than one.
cherries, watermelons, pineapple,
P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E.
watermelon,
W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N.
cherry,
C-H-E-R-R-Y.
watermelons, pineapples, cherries, cherry, pineapple, watermelon, watermelon, cherry, pineapple,
Hey Michael, can I have some cherries please?
Sorry, we don't have any cherries. We only have a pineapple and a watermelon.
So before I click enter, notice that it's multiple cherries, but only one pineapple and one watermelon. So when you have more than one object or noun, you add an S. Thank you guys. Oh, nope, one more. Sorry.
raspberry, strawberry, blueberry,
All types of berries. Blueberries,
blueberries,
raspberries,
raspberries,
strawberries.
strawberries, raspberries, strawberries,
Might be a little hard to see, but these are strawberries. Raspberries,
strawberries, raspberries,
blueberries,
blueberries, raspberries, berries,
B E R R I E S.
Hey Addison, what are you eating?
I am eating raspberries and strawberries.
I am eating raspberries and strawberries. What are you eating?
I am eating blueberries, B-L-U-E.
I am eating blueberries.
raspberries,
R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-I-E-S.
strawberries,
S-T-R Awberries.
Blueberries.
BLUE, berries.
Strawberries. Blueberries. Raspberries.
Now, thank you for joining me where we went into the second part of fruit and its names. Thank you for joining me. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. This was our English video. If you benefited from it, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone that might be learning English as well. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.